In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add affiliate links to your Wix website. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along in your own Wix editor. Affiliate links are special URLs that track when visitors click and buy something so you can earn a commission. To make them work, you need to place them on your site in a way that looks natural and is easy for visitors to click. First, go ahead and log into your Wix account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of your dashboard and make sure you're on the Setup tab. This is where you'll see options related to managing and editing your website. At the top right of the dashboard, you'll see a button that says Edit Site. Click that to open your Wix editor. When the editor loads, you now have two main options for adding your affiliate link. You can connect it to a piece of text, or you can connect it to a button. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on linking text because it's one of the most common and flexible options. On your page, locate the text element where you want to place the affiliate link. This might be a paragraph describing a product, a short call to action, or even a simple phrase like, "Check it out here." Click once on that text element to select it, then click Edit Text to open the text settings. Now, highlight the exact words you want to turn into a clickable link. This could be the product name or a phrase that makes sense to your visitors. Once the text is highlighted, look for the link icon in the text toolbar and click it. A new panel will appear that lets you configure the link. In this panel, choose the option for web address. This tells Wix that you're linking to an external page, not another page on your own site. In the URL field that appears, paste your affiliate link carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. Below that, choose whether you want the link to open in a new window or in the current window. For affiliate links, opening in a new window is usually a better experience because it keeps your site open in the background. Once you've made your choice, click Done. You'll see that the text you highlighted is now underlined or styled as a hyperlink, showing that your affiliate link has been applied. And that's it. You've successfully added an affiliate link to your Wix website.